splendid evening it is to you viewers. Welcome to Special Focus right here on Equity Access, your area of perspective on stock market developments and on developments in the Zimbabwean economy. Eben Mapunda signing in. Let's go. On agenda tonight, Toronto Stock Exchange listed Caledonia Mining Corporation, whose main and only gold producing asset, Blanket Mine, says following exploration, the life of mine has increased from 6 years to 14 years. Incredible. Well, the mining group hit its production target for 2018 at 54,000 ounces. A production target for 2019 has been set between 53,000 ounces of gold to 58,000 ounces of gold. Well, an interesting target also is set for 2022, which is 80,000 ounces of gold. Why that? Well, they have what they've called a central mining shaft, which they expect to have been complete by 2022, as well as commissioned in that sense by the Zimbabwean government. Of note as well is that they have secured a futures contract for the next 5 months to June of 2019, in the which they have a minimum futures contract of 1,250,000 per ounce of gold. Interesting development, Caledonia says they have secured a futures contract that will allow them to sell their gold at a minimum of $1,250 over the next 5 months. That is up until June of 2019. Of note as well is that today the price of an ounce of gold was trading at $1,313. The idea behind that would be to bring stability to the value of their exports in that regard. Of note as well is that gold mining is the largest earner, is the second largest earner actually of forex for Zimbabwe. In the year 2018, Zimbabwe produced 33.2 tons of gold, up 34% from 24.8 tons produced in the year 2017. On the bright side, Zimbabwe has drawn down $46 million, which is 30% towards the modernization as well as refurbishment of the Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport. Well, this is of course part of a modernization engagement that will cost $153 million, which is being provided as a concessional loan facility by the China Exim Bank. Elsewhere, AIM-listed Cambria Africa released its financial results for the year ended 31 December 2018. Now, Cambria Africa has controlling interest in Payserve Africa as well as Milcom Zimbabwe, both operating in Zimbabwe. Well, these companies have exposure in Zimbabwe in as far as the fintech industry is concerned because of the prevailing cash shortages in Zimbabwe. Of note is that they run through Paynet, an electronic funds transfer platform which allows for a secure and convenient way of sending money in the country. According to the group's financials, they facilitated 28 million transactions in 2018, which accounted for 40% of Zimbabwe's electronic funds transfers. Paynet said its branded software is subscribed to by all government departments, NGOs, and by over 5,000 of Zimbabwe's largest conglomerates. Of note, of course, is that the group's net profit improved from a deficit or from a net loss position in 2017 of $300,000 to a net profit position of just below $2 million. That was spurred, of course, by a 10% growth in revenue to $10 million. Thank you, Zimbabwe, for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and visit our website www.equityaccess.net. And good evening.